Hi, welcome to Butterfly Cottage. Today I'm going to show you how to make golden syrup. Dead easy. 3 ingredients: lemon, water, sugar. So I've got a pan on a medium to high heat here. I'm going to add 100 grams of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. We're doing it in 2 stages and then it's easier for you to follow. Mix that in. And we need the sugar to dissolve and for this to go a lovely caramel colour. Come back when it's ready. See how it's starting to change colour now? It won't take long before it's that lovely golden colour, but watch that you don't go too far and it burns. Okay, so you can see now that it's got a nice golden colour. We're going to add 300 mils of boiling water. Slowly. Stir it in. Scrape all of those bits off the bottom and round the edges, get them all in. Okay, once you've done that, I'm going to add in 500 grams of sugar and stir it in until it's dissolved. If you want yours a bit darker, just boil it for a bit longer. Need to make sure. Okay, now the sugar is dissolved in the pan. We need to have it up to a simmer and then over a low heat, and we're going to add the lemon. The lemon stops it crystallising. Okay, so one last stir and then we're going to leave it for 45 minutes or up to 116 degrees Celsius. Welcome back. We're at 108 now, almost there. As you can see, mine's a little bit pale. I should have waited a little bit longer, but I was a bit worried about it burning. Won't be long now and then it's ready. Time to get your jar and sterilise it. Welcome back. Here we are, 116.3. So that needs to come out. We need to take this piece of lemon out. Don't throw it away, you can eat that. That's now candied lemon. Pop it in a dish. Let it cool. And that will be delicious. Okay, we're taking this off the heat. Okay, you can strain yours if you like, but I'm just going straight in. If it's got any bits of lemon in it, all the better. It is very runny now, but don't panic, it will thicken up. And there you have it. Let that cool and then it will be nice and thick, and if you wait a few days it's ready to use. Okay, so this is all cooled down now. Let's have a look. No, Graham's going to have to do that. But let's have a look at the runny test. Oh, it's good. Look at that. Biff, paff, puff. Okay, it was a little help from my husband. Oh, look at the stickiness on that. Let's have a try. Very sticky and it's sweet. If you have a try at making this yourselves, let us know how you get on. For more recipes from Butterfly Cottage, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell. Ding-a-ling-a-ling.